another one, my boy. This is the second car we get done from Arturo, 4040 West Ogden. Unfortunately, he's going to be moving out of here. I'm helping him find a new location. He had a problem with the, I believe he had a problem with the city here. So the new location is pending. This man, has came through twice for us on two separate old schools. The first one was the 87 T-top Aero Coupe Unicorn. I had put a 24-inch billet on it, 22-inch billet on it, and that one is gone. What's up, brother?
De aquí, las plaquitas se las quité aquí porque estaba medio podrido.
Okay.
Para poderle arreglar aquí, porque cuando le pongan que no tenga tanto, se vea bien.
Yeah, so le van a poner nuevos, ¿verdad?
Sí, de los ribes nada más, ahí está la otra parte.
Yeah. Nice, nice.
So, ahí está.
Yeah. ¿Qué decías? ¿Que le quería quitar estas?
Sí, le quería quitar
estas,
pero es un pedo, y pedo las gomas de aquí porque quedan bien selladas.
Yeah.
Y después hay fallas y ya para ponerlas otra vez para atrás.
No, lo bueno es que lo hicimos el mismo color, so no se distingue, mucho. That's fine. Bonito.
Y tenía bien hartas picadas.
¿Sí?
Sí, abajo de la...
Oh, ok. A mí yo me confié cuando miré el piso, que lo habían hecho sandblast, estaba bien limpio. Dije, oh, ha de estar todo limpio, pero no me imaginé los huecos ahí. Ahí salieron unos picadones, ¿ah?
El gris estaba en su camioneta, pero no sé si voy a venir por ella.
¿Cuál es, la verde?
No, una negra, una que estaba la...
Oh, ok. Oh, la pintola, güey. Está bien picada, ¿no?
Sí, le cobré 1500.
¿Y qué le dio por arreglarla?
Pero cabrón, unos partidones que tuve que hacerle aquí y aquí, todo aquí, todas las puertas.
Alright, bro.
El último, para pintar allá, la tapa de atrás estaba picada, tuve que meter un lienzo abajo también.
Oh, shit. Oh, sí, para que dure. Beautiful.
Tenía las llantas esas de la línea blanca.
Yeah.
Ya más bonito ahorita.
Ya nada más con sus tapaderías. Voy a ver con Nico, a ver si tiene ya le encargué la tapa. Le voy a hacer burgundy de tela.
Okay.
Para que quede con el interior. Y ya que esté completito, carnal. Yeah, sporty wheels, sporty tire. This front goes up and down too?
Yeah, when we drop the front.
Drop the front? Oh, yeah! You do that pretty confidently there, bro.
My bad.
You already went down?
Nah.
Oh.
That was a risk right there?
Yeah, it was a super risk.
No refunds?
Damn, oh, you're good though. I mean, none of this is road. So if you decide to try to drive it this low, if you roll it, or if you just bring this out and trim it out here. Mm-hmm. Some people roll it, some people cut it. I cut it. I mean, I cut my cars.
Yeah.
Because that roller, it's a pretty cool setup. You got to heat it all up, and then it's like a skateboard wheel, and you
and you roll it.
Yeah. I don't have that. Mm-hmm. I normally just go I do what's called teeth. I make teeth, and then I bang them in, and then you kind of like clear coat it or primer it just to protect it. But this is it's clean, it's close. You can so when you drop it, just make sure your wheels are straight.
Yeah. Because that's what I had to do with the stock ones too.
Okay.
Like I don't drive it like this. I pick it up, especially the turn, because I can't do a full turn with it. You know, it'll rub right here. But I always remember to lift it before I start driving.
Yeah, actually nice. Bottoms out real nice. Got the tubs.
But it won't rub like this, right?
In the back, no. So
It's close.
only if you're turning, you get the body roll.
Yeah.
Then it'll hit. What else, shirt? Then it would possibly hit.
Right.
Body roll.
Drive with it like the same.
Correct.
Right.
If you're going straight, you're good.
Yeah.
If you turn and you hear it,
Yeah.
turn slower or turn less. Because it's just, it's just the momentum.
Yeah.
You know.
To one side. Yeah.
But yeah, you got way more room here. And there's nothing behind the wheel. Or like, because you could whatever you take away from there, it's gonna bring it out here. So if somebody does adjust it, keep in mind whatever you eliminate over there. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is cut nice. This is cut nice. Like you don't even get, it's not even sharp or anything.
Yeah.
So that's good. Oh wait, this is not cut. That's the difference. This got
right. You're right.
That's why you got so much room over there. This is not cut.
It's centered. It's the lip.
It's probably centered, but yeah.
So I should cut this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who do you know who did that side?
I put it like this.
Oh, okay.
It already had the tubs.
Yeah.
But this was not welded. It was just a big ass hole.
Oh, okay.
So I had to weld that, and then I did the bed liner.
Okay.
But I don't know who did anything else.
Yeah. So
that.
I
It's been
would.
through a lot, it seems like.
I would see what, because that was cut. I wonder if it was cut and then painted. Because it's really smooth. It's really smooth down here. Yeah, it looks like it was cut and painted, but the paint is not sticking well. So they went, so if you feel the other little layer, that's the tub. The fact that's a tub. So they basically went up to the tub, because there's no point in going past the tub, because the tub, so it's the tub and then the outer skirt, the outer fender.
Yeah.
The bed, pues. So I would do the same thing over there. Just go all the way to the tub.
Trim it off.
Yeah, let me check the other side again. Yeah. Yeah. So if you go, so right here we're going up. If you go like this and you come down, you'll feel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You hang on to
Yep.
it. Like
That's what
the
you want to
ledge.
cut. So what I would do is get it to your garage or whoever's gonna do it for you. Raise it up or take off the wheel, obviously, and then let's say cutoff wheel. You put the cutoff wheel down instead of trying to guess from here. Instead of trying to go bzz, up, you might miss it. So if you put the whole cutoff wheel in the
Come from the top.
yeah,
Down.
then you get it even to the tub.
And then just cut off this whole ledge. The ledge coming.
The whole edge. That way you're not going too far here, and then you're gonna have a gap.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That makes sense. That makes sense.
So let's just say you do that, and you want to protect it. Is that weld or is that?
It was weld,
Silicone.
and then I put that silicone sealant.
Okay.
And bed liner on top of it.
Then
So
you
it
could do
looks
that to
kinda
here. You could do the silicone, just to not get water. Let water. Yeah, yeah. That would be nice.
I always have to keep it at like 72.
How long have you had this truck?
Had it for 2020 during COVID. When everything
Okay.
hits a fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it wasn't like this. Like I did a lot of work to it. And I just, the rims were last. You know what I'm saying? Like I wanted to do everything else first, make sure it's running good, and then the rims.
Yeah. These wheels still go. They still go hard. I got an F-150, 99 F-150. Yeah.
Yeah, I see you, man.
Oh yeah? Okay. So I either want to do these. It's got a shortened rear end. Do these with the lip, or I got some 24-inch wire wheels. Reverse.
The 12-inch wide in the back?
I think the 12-inch wide will fit in the back.
Without cutting anything?
Well, it's already diff cut.
Oh, okay, yeah, you'll be good.
Yeah, mine's already got a diff cut.
No, you'll be good.
But yeah, this motherfucker's nice.
I seen those with the 12-inch wide too, but I knew I would have to cut the diff, and I'm like,
yeah,
this truck's been so cut up already that I didn't want to just keep
going and going
more,
and going. Okay.
You
know? No, she's nice.
No, I've been watching you, man. I've been watching you on YouTube. I see
you're
doing more towing and transporting and stuff now.
Yeah.
But I've been watching since you had the other shop. I think
On Cicero. Oh, cool, bro. Yeah, on Cicero Avenue, bro. Oh, damn. Yeah, bro.
I think I joined one of the raffles ones. I was trying to win some rims.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah, that one wasn't as fast, so I eliminated them for now. I'm gonna keep it with the cars. I got that one going right now.
Yeah, I've been watching this one, the progress and stuff. So definitely been supporting. And then Javi also, Ariano, Jay Installation.
Oh yeah, Jay Installation. Yeah.
That's my.
Actually,
like, go to this guy. You know?
I got an alarm from him right now. I won one of his raffles. I just haven't. I haven't decided what to put it on. Okay. I might put it on that 4 because it looks like I'm gonna keep that 4. That motherfucker hasn't gone nowhere.
Nah, that was nice.
Yeah, it's a nice one too. You know. Yeah. And you could tell that motherfucker says, "I'm a paisa."
All day.
You know.
All day. No one's gonna mess with you.
No.
It'd be good.
Yeah. But yeah, it looks good, man. It looks good. Real nice.
No, thanks for making it happen, man.
Yes, sir.
It took me a while because I had to paint like the drums and the caliper, and then I bought some.
Yeah, I see you got it blacked out. Yeah,
it was gonna
slotted.
It was gonna look all rusty with the old ones.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I had to do that first before we put the wheels on.
Yeah, these are nice slotted rotors. You got new brake pads. Yeah. I like how you blacked it out instead of trying to pop it. Yeah. I always try to pop yellow or red or something. That looks good though. Everything looks nice and clean and tucked in there. Yeah. Look like you might have had big wheels.
Maybe before
they
definitely cut it right there.
This usually has a little bit more a bigger piece right there. So it's possible.
Yeah.
It's real nice. And you got it painted?
Yeah. Well, the bed was painted. When I bought it, the hood was that black. You know how you buy the color?
Yeah.
It's just black?
Yeah, just flat black.
So they ended up painting the whole cab all at one time, so it'll kind of...
Yeah, it'll match up. Okay.
But it's dirty, man. It's really dirty, and I got like a couple of dents here, here.
Man, the minute you paint it, you're gonna get a fucking... The minute you fix that, you're gonna get a scratch, bro. Sure. I really dislike painting cars, but, you know, it's good to do it.
Yeah, that's how it be.
Yep. Yeah, real nice. Cool. Perfect. Catch his ass back coming out, my boy. So good. Ya tenemos rato con este, ¿verdad?
Pues es el que está pintado de amarillo, ¿no?
Yeah. When it came in, He just ordered. He automatically ordered a wheel, but I was like, oh, let me just save it, see if it's. And I never thought of doing this.
Yeah, no, bro, that's bad.
Con la pura mano, yo le puedes dar.
Yeah, look at that shit.
Let me see what the machine does. Whoa! That was a hit. I think he hit a curb or something.
Yeah, now that you see it, now you can see.
Now now I'm paying attention. Yeah.
Yeah, now you can see it.
Okay, fucking idiot. Yeah, now I can see it. Will this still work for you?
Oh yeah, bro. I'll
Okay.
use like the middle, like where well, I'll probably put like little spacers and the ODS because the glass is gonna go around here.
Then you're gonna need
I'll probably use double one.
Some spacers are bigger than the other ones.
You know how they use little rubbers for the tape?
Yeah.
The table? I'll probably put 2 on one and 1 on the other.
You can have it, my boy. Whatever it's worth. ¿Cuánto pesa? Like probably like $50 a scrap.
Okay.